Food up, Airfan, food up.
Background siya, ano?
Then mount up.
Ayun, nauntog.
Wait, nasa na yun sila?
Uy, ayan.
We're going northwest, northwest tayo pupunta.
What the fuck, kakaumpisa pa lang, black screen na.
Tapon mo na yung cellphone mo, pre. Bili ko bago.
Go northwest, go northwest, go northwest, go northwest. Then northeast. Pupunta tayo sa middle. Southeast, southeast, southeast. Pa-scout ako. Dismount if you see me, dismount if you see me, dismount if you see me. Then spread now, spread muna kayo. Spread
We're
muna
on
kayo.
your southeast. You're on your east.
Mag-spread muna kayo, mag-spread muna kayo. Spread lang sa southwest. Marami pang space dito sa west, oh. Hindi nyo tinitik dito. Spread sa southwest. Hayaan nyo lang sumilip yung mga death tanks natin. Hayaan nyo lang sila
They're
dyan.
going small stairs,
Hayaan nyo. Sige, paakyatin nyo. Go southwest, go southwest, go southwest. Paakyatin nyo muna. Paakyatin nyo lang muna. Go southwest muna kayo. Southwest tayo. Go southwest. Everyone look northeast. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa club. Hanapin nyo club. Now! Sustain. Brawl them out. Mag-Judy kayo, i-brawl nyo sila, habulin nyo dito sa pinaka-southeast. Mag-brawl kayo, habulin nyo. Meron pa ba tayong second club? Habulin nyo lang. Go southeast. Run them over. Sige, run them over. Sige, patayin nyo na yung mga mamamatay, oh. Patayin yung mga mamamatay. Pa-hold. Nice hold. Okay, everyone now, go northwest. Balik tayo northwest. Heal pa. Go northwest. Stream.
Backline mo par pahit.
Go northwest. Sige, northwest. Potato.
Defend.
Go northwest. Bro nyo to, naiiwan sa kanila. Hello, bro nyo to. Naiiwan sa kanila, oh. Wala na yan. Sige, Qs and Ws on the beach. Sige, Qs and Ws. Patayin nyo na, wala nang boots. Okay, go northwest. Pa-stream ako kung sino makaka-stream.
Lock, saan na ba gusto mo? Sabay ko yung engage ko sa'yo or second?
I-call ko na lang sa'yo yung ano. I-call ko na lang yung...
Next castle.
Scouting ako, wait lang.
Let's go southwest. Okay, dyan. Go southwest muna kayo. Southwest tayo. Give them space, boys. Give them space.
Gago loading.
Ayos.
They're dismounted on the ping, They're still dismounted on the ping.
Oh, nasa gitna sila.
They're going northwest over.
Loading just.
Going
They're going
northwest.
northwest. Yeah.
Okay, everyone, punta tayo sa
Walking
akin. Let's go northwest. Try natin mag-fight.
Actually, no, they're going back southeast. They're going back southeast. They're going
Undecided sila.
southeast.
We're gonna take the first ano dito. Baba kayo sa big stairs. Bumaba tayo sa big stairs. But don't clump.
They're going down the southeast. Stairs na pa.
Take yung space, position properly. Death tanks ko, harap kayo. Okay.
Ano ni God da?
Hold. Now, defensive. Fake engage, Ben. Fake engage. Okay,
No,
fake engage. Wala silang defensive. We are looking southeast. Ito na lang yung nasa pinakarap. We're gonna engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yung nasarap. Patayin nyo nasarap. Now, walk in. Brawl them out, boys. Judy sa stairs. Brawl them out. Healers, heal. Keep on healing. Now, go northeast. Go up the stairs. Kung kailangan nyo mag-gigantify Resi, go up the stairs. Sige, patayin nyo man nahuli. Sige, patayin yan. Okay, meron pa tayong engage in 1. Meron pa tayong engage in 3. Okay, everyone look north. We're gonna engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa mga nahuli. Nice RB. Now go southeast. Help the team. Go southeast. Help the team. Go southeast now. Hayaan nyo na yung naiiwan. Go southeast. Southeast. Hayaan nyo na. Go southeast. Let's go southeast.
Jesse, palit ka ng W5.
Wala akong ano, pre.
Wala siyang breeze.
Q3 ka na lang. Q3 na lang. Palit ka Q3.
Okay. Everyone, let's go ano.
Grabe
Dito.
naman yung...
They're walking to the middle. To their...
Hayaan nyo lang sila.
Okay na yan.
Hold na lang tayo dito. Wala tayong
They're
gagawin.
walking southeast para.
Tapos tama yung ginagawa mong i-W yung low.
Ano na?
Wait, they're holding ulit. They're going northwest now.
Punta tayo dito sa middle. Now magta-try tayo mag-brawl. Magbo-brawl tayo. Hayaan natin sila una mag-engage.
W4 yata yan.
Sinong kalaban niya, pre?
God
Solid.
Mounted up sila going south northwest.
Wala pa siyang ano.
They're on to me.
Everyone go northeast. Northeast from me. Come northeast. Go northeast. Give them space.
Going to you. Gagi, pwede mo
Everyone, mag-engage tayo in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa club, dito sa club, dito sa club. Patayin nyo. Now everyone, brawl them. Brawl them out. Meron tayo dito sa northwest ha. Def Tanks look northwest. Patingin ako ng northwest. Tingnan nyo yung mga northwest na yan. Meron ka pang engage, Shuki? Wala pang engage yan.
Wala.
Everyone, we're gonna brawl them. Maki-merge kayo sa kanila mag-brawl pero no clumping. Night helmets na, defensive. Judy. Nice enigmatic. Now, brawl them out. Go northwest. Big balls tayo, big balls. Patayin nyo yung mga yan. Nagbaback sila. We're gonna engage it. 5, 4, 3, 2, putang ina, wala! Ayun! Doon kay Chuki. Nice. Puta ng wall ako din. Sige. Go southwest lang. Sige, brawl them up. Help nyo yung mga naiiwan sa likod. Okay, everyone go southwest. Southeast na kayo. Iwan nyo na yung mga yan. Go to the middle. Iwan nyo na yung mga yan, guys. Iwan nyo na yung mga yan. Go to the middle. Everyone, dito tayo pupwesto sa stairs ha. Dito tayo pupwesto sa stairs. Baba kayo na stairs. Take the space. Sige lang. Take the space lang. Huwag nyo habulin yan. Pass cut.
Sige, wait. Mounting up ako. Ang inang bedrock.
Let's go to the middle. Tang ina na bedrock ako.
Nakita mo ba yung bedrock na
Malayo to ng tagtik yun.
CD yung night helmet ko, hayop.
They're dismounted on their home base.
Sige lang. Everyone go southwest na to. Hug the wall
They're
muna tayo.
walking northwest, I think. Oh no, hinahuli ako.
Nahuli siya. Everyone walk in. Baba kayo ng stairs.
Nahuli
Hinawa
nila.
nila?
Oo, na-dismount ako. Dismounted ako.
Dismounted
Pero, hindi ako
Nabal ka?
makahabol nito.
Everyone, sige.
Yeah,
Walk
there's,
northwest. Now, let's walk northeast. Everyone, night helmets, we're gonna engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sa club. Go sa club. Brawl na yung naiiwan. Brawl. Mag-drop kayo ng Duskweaver dito sa putang inang napakanipis na to. Drop kayo Duskweaver. Brawl nyo yun nandyan. Mag-drop kayo ng Duskweaver kung meron kayong Duskweaver. Pero ayan, papakipatay itong dalawang nahuhuli oh. Yung mga dalawang nahuhuli muna ito. Itong mga nahuhuli. Kill nyo nahuli. Meron tayong engage in 9, 8 seconds. Sustain lang guys. Sustain lang tayo. 3 seconds. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, sa engage. Sa clump. Nice one. Everyone go northwest now. Go northwest. Everyone go northwest. Dropping Judy ako sa choke. Go northwest. Pahelp ako ng mga naiiwan. Sige, go northwest lang. Go northwest. Sige, go northwest. Down. Hello. Go northwest.
Mali ka direction.
Northwest. Pag go northwest na, tapos wala na kinikita reds, matik na yun na magbaback na tayo. Kaya ako nagpapaiwan doon. Hinihintay ko yung party kung mag northwest. Kasi pwede pa tayong mag-look kung sakali. Everyone, go to the middle.
Tigal pa ba ito, gago?
Let's go to the middle again. Give them space.
Masara ulo itong mga to.
They're walking ulit sa behind you para.
Sige lang, go to the middle. Sige, go to the middle.
Pag 200-0, 1 MB
Just
bigay
wear
ni Bendy.
yung helmet.
Diyan. They're still walking southwest, guys.
Give them space. Sino yung kwan doon? Sino na AFK?
Si Rush.
AFK si Resh. Ayan yun lang. Sige. Everyone, take space. Go southeast. Def Tanks. Go Def. Go southeast lang kayo. Hayaan nyo lang sila. Go southeast lang kayo.
Bedrock yun eh.
Go southeast lang muna kayo. May nakayasobi na sa kanila. Go southeast lang kayo. Ayan, sige. Brawl them out. Everyone, nag-engage sila. Nag-engage na sila. Everyone, look northwest. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa clump. Sa stairs. Everyone, Judy. This is Spots. Gigantify. Help the team. Now, let's brawl. Go northwest and brawl. Find the crown. Go northwest and brawl. Mag-brawl kayo. I-brawl nyo yan. Yung mga naiiwan. Humabol kayo. Sige, yung mga naiwan, humabol kayo. Go northwest. Nice night helmet. Go northwest. Brawl nyan. Everyone, sige, brawl nyo lang. May mga nahuli pa dyan ha. Sige, brawl lang. Wala pa tayong engage. Everyone, look northeast. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa tatlo. Dropan nyo yan. Now look southwest. Paki-brawl tong southwest. Resist spots, Judy or resist spots or Judy. No, brawl them out. Just brawl them. Brawl lang tayo ng brawl. Yung mga healers ko, humabol kayo. Keep up yung mga nahuhuli. I-brawl nyo lang yan ng i-brawl. Dropping ako ng Judy dito. Ayan. Brawl nyo lang. Kill, execute yung mga kwan. Meron pa tayong engage in 2. Everyone look southwest. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa clamp. Hanapin yung clamp. Brawl nyo yung naiiwan. Wala na yan. Brawl nyo na yung naiiwan. Yung mga masyado malayo, huwag nyo na habulin. Now everyone, go middle. Punta muna tayo middle.
Lagi talaga si Constance. Oh.
Yan naman trash talk yan, chaos yan.
May random tayo dito.
Yan, chaos yan.
Sabihin ko na lang. Sabihin nyo, di nyo kilala si Constance.
Oo. Walang yan, na-invite lang sa party yan.
Checking ulit ako.
Just to reflect the state of the
You're holding the
Go
mid again.
southwest. Hayaan nyo sila sa middle. Go southwest.
Hindi siya nagsasalita for the sake
Huli
of
ako, oh no. Ganun na sila ka-desperate. Sa sobrang desperate, hinahabol na rin ako.
Guys, magtiwala kayo sa team na kung nakita nyo yung choke tapos medyo dikit-dikit kayo, tandaan nyo may mga night helmets tayo. Pwede tayo mag-night helmets na mag-night helmets. Magtiwala ka lang kayo sa team nyo. Kasi meron yung iba na brawl na. Everyone, baba kayo ng choke. I-brawl nyo yung naiiwan dyan. Di mo sinabi, sige. Everyone, look northeast from me. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito na lang, sa Sagi Balls. Drop kay Sagi Balls. Now, defensive and brawl. Brawl tayo. Pop your defensives and brawl. Brawl na lang muna tayo, brawl tayo. Sige lang, pasustain ako. Mag-walk kayo sa Judy. Pop your defensives and brawl. Brawl lang tayo ng brawl. We're gonna wait for 10 seconds. Brawl ng counting southwest. Brawl and kite southwest. Sige lang, brawl lang. Oh, fuck. Meron tayong engage. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Huge clap.
Nice.
Oh, inaw mo.
hindi na.
Ang surok mo dun, gago. Oh, ay, sorry.
All me.